Why is it flowing out so bad? The carburetor clean you did earlier.
The draw is like stuck open with gas. Just fill it up the car and straighten out.
Dude, I'm gonna get mine Jimmy rigged so nicely right now.
You have it on your bike?
Yeah, I'm not gonna helmet.
Why not?
There we go, moment of truth. What? Body light?
What is going on, guys? Started off a little squirrely. Hope you guys are doing great. It's another beautiful day today. See if we can get into something. See if we can find something to do. If you can't tell, it's winter. I am on the surron Ultra B right now, and we're just doing a little vlog here. Going for a little ride. Can't tell, it's the middle of winter. It's pretty cold. It's not too bad though, I bundled up. Oh yeah. Got home from work, man, and figured I'd throw the camera on and take the bike out. It's a nice, beautiful day. It's about -20 right now. And we're outside. Gotta just go outside and stay outside. Where should we go, guys? Any ideas? I have an idea. Take the crosswalk again? Always taking the crosswalks. Ooh, a little squirrely. Oh. Keep putting snow over here. Whoop. Oh, this probably won't come in on camera at all. I'm on a snow hill. And there's a field with a cross-country ski track, I guess. It should be pretty packed right now. It should be pretty packed. Probably get mad at me if I ride on it, but bike life, right? You only live once. Oh wow, that powder just, it's pretty icy actually. Interesting. decent amount of snow. She's struggling. There you go. Some hard pack. Little skate park. Well, I think it's time we go on the river. Damn, this is fun. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Ooh, ah. Well, which way, guys? I think I'm gonna go. Let's go this way. Ooh. This little creek is big enough you could drive a truck on it. Oh. Oh, these kids got a little hockey rink, man. I wonder where we are. Oh, some traction there. Nice. Oh, wow, 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 wow. I'm gonna be honest, that was a little sketch. Oh. So guys, I've been hearing a lot of stuff on the internet about how electric dirt bikes are better than gas dirt bikes, and you know, electric dirt bike is the new wave, the new thing. And don't get me wrong, man, they're awesome. They're freaking sick. But when it comes down to it, especially for an enthusiast, an hour of riding, even 2 hours of riding, say I'm riding like this for just 2 hours, it's not enough for a guy like me. It's not. You know, and especially, you know, a guy like me wants to go, you know, wants to twist that throttle. There's a reason we opened the big bikes up, the 450s, and maybe one day the batteries will be really good and we could ride them for 3-4 hours, or just charge them in like 30 minutes. That would make things a big different, you know, a little bit different. Who am I kidding? Then definitely it wouldn't be a niche no more. I worked on this house right here. Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, so if anybody's out there thinking about buying an electric dirt bike instead of a dirt bike, like instead of a gas bike, I would reconsider. I would generally reconsider. Because you're gonna go out, you're gonna be very excited, and at first it's gonna be enough because you're gonna get tired, right? Even if you are in good shape, just good riding technique and everything, you're gonna get tired, and you'll end up, you know, especially if you're going at a Starkvarg or something, you're gonna end up getting hurt. Because that's you know, you might as well just buy a 450 for your first bike. I almost bailed right there. And like, there's a reason I'm not riding the 450 right now. That thing will try to kill me the whole time I'm on it. You know, and it's you know, it's enough power to yeet you on pavement, never mind on ice. Yeah, so like, I'd reconsider it, and it's not gonna, I don't think it'd ever replace a dirt bike, a gas dirt bike. Electric is just gonna be a supplement, right? It's just gonna, you know, it's perfect for like this right now, what I'm doing, riding around town. If you're like, even if I was in the city, I'd still ride this thing. We might go do a little ride in the city yet. That'd be fun, especially on the river. They have a whole big ice path. It's actually the longest ice path in the world, so that'd be cool. Yeah, I think that'd be good. Maybe this weekend, that'd be cool. And yeah, that's what I think. Like, this is just a supplement, the practice. This is a very good beginner. You know, somebody that is like a teenager or a smaller adult. A surron Ultra B is a really good starter, right? Especially if you never worked the clutch, you're really scared of it, and you live in town and you don't know where you're gonna ride it. Electric option is very, very nice. But once you start wanting to go do rides for half a day riding with a bunch of guys, you know, riding with a bunch of friends, and, you know, getting outside, you're gonna want a gas bike. You're gonna need a gas bike, and then you're gonna have to buy another bike. Then you're gonna be like me and forking out a lot of money for a second bike when you don't really need it. Who am I kidding? I got it and I need it and I love it. I can't wait till summer. It's gonna be an exciting year. This is gonna be a good year. I'm also thinking of doing some races, some enduro racing. I don't know. I'd have to look into it. I don't want to race motocross. I'd like to race like enduro and more trails. I do have a WR, and I know it would rip on a motocross track. It's just a little heavier. But yeah, we'll definitely get out on a motocross track this summer, though. Definitely. It's got a little cross-roaded there. That was fun. And yeah, I think that would be sick. Well, okay. Woo! Parts falling off the surron. Five things that I hate about the surron Ultra B. Let's go. Quick. Front tire, 19, too small. Back tire, the stock tire's way too small. Pegs, garbage. Worst pegs ever made on any bike ever alive. Okay. Chain guard protector thingy. The fuck? I think I blew my brake out. I'm blowing out surron brakes. The brakes suck. The battery does not last long enough. I can run the battery down in 30 minutes, 35 minutes. And that's, you know, that's not... That's not good enough, right? Like, you need more battery than that. Our version does not come with the signal lights. I can't even get it if I wanted to, which is whatever. That is take it or leave it. And the toolkit it comes with, don't even bother. Why? And that's why the surron sucks. But who am I kidding? It's still awesome. It's a fun bike, fun toy. It's hard to break. Like, I do that shit all the time, and you know, who knows? Maybe I just broke the thingy, or it just pushed on it weird. You never know, right? And yeah, that is 5 reasons. 5 things that I don't like about the surron Ultra B. 5 things. 5 things that I like about the surron Ultra B. It's quick. You don't have to put gas in it. It's pretty light. It's quiet. That's all I got. I'm gonna be honest. The front, oh yeah, and another thing that I hate about it. These front forks, garbage. I think we already know that in this community. But these front forks, no good. Blown out already. This bike is not even a year old. It has 2,000 kilometers on it. And I put those 2,000 kilometers on it in about a month and a half of consistent riding. And I'm probably 500 kilometers of that is just tire spin. You know, whatever. Speaking of tire spin, aye. Tire's starting to fall apart. Yeah. And that is that. Okay, you just bought your first motorcycle, your first dirt bike, okay? Your first, specifically right now for this video, your first surron. Say you've never ridden a dirt bike, you've never ridden a bike before. I'm pretty sure most people have ridden bikes, but whatever. It's pretty self-explanatory, guys, how to ride a bike. You have 2 foot pegs, a seat, front brake, rear brake. This is only on electric bikes. On gas bikes, this will be a clutch, and this will be your front brake. And your rear brake will be right here. So for your Surron Ultra B, if the kickstand is down and the key is off, okay, you turn the bike on. She fires right up, you know, turns right on. It shows you your battery life, sport, eco, and daily. Those are all 3 of your driving modes. Sport is usually what I keep it in. Eco is just cruising. I think the top speed is 50. Daily, it's the same top speed as sport, but sport mode is get there quicker. Yeah, so you get that, and then you got this button here. So that's the ready button. So once it's on, this bike is live right now. Like literally, this thing's like a grenade. All right. So you literally, I don't know if you're a really short person, if you're a shorter person, a Surron Ultra B is a good bike. Is a really good sized bike for a shorter person. I am about 6 foot tall in boots, and I could get on this thing and like both feet flat on the ground, you know, and it almost feels like I sit up off the seat. So a bigger dude, this bike would be small, right? 6'1". It'd be quite small. So once you're on the bike, okay, and you want to get riding, the best way to learn to ride, to get comfortable, is just to get on it, okay? So you got to twist your throttle. This is your brake. So you always want to have at least one finger on the rear brake, okay? So you put your feet on the pegs, and on a dirt bike, you want to do a mixture of standing and sitting, depending on the terrain you're driving on. And the best way to learn is just to do. In my experience, doing circles with stopping, right? I'd say for stopping, just focus on your rear brake, and you start feel it out, and you'll feel when the tire starts sliding, and if it's still spinning, or if it's locked up on you. Because once it's locked up, that you don't usually want to lock your rear tire up. And you just go, brake, gas, brake, gas, brake, gas, brake. And you just get the feel for your throttle and the feel for your brakes. And don't do that. And that. So you're just going to want to keep going. Brake, okay, and this is also good practice for wheelies. And this is going to be the shortest tutorial how to wheelie or surron Ultra B right here. Easiest tutorial with no traction. Can't even wheelie, there's so little traction. Whoa. Yeah. All right. Let's go somewhere. And in my opinion, riding in snow is very good practice. Good practice for ruts, getting cross-rutted, loss of traction, keeping traction, not having traction. All those things. Yeah. I had a good day at work. It was all right. It's a quick, easy job. Yeah, it was all right. Suppose we haven't seen anybody walking. Whoa. Ooh, little. Oh, wow. Let's do a little burnout, shall we? Everybody says these things have so much torque. It doesn't have that much torque. Keep it going, nice. It said I was going 70 there for a second, but I don't believe it. More like 50. The good old bridge. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Back tire slides. doesn't even need acceleration. Avoid the open water. Oh no, no open water. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. $70? Yeah, I want 70. Hell yeah. No, not anymore, but I was. The old guys always get a kick out of this thing. That was terrible. That was fun. This is my little racetrack, guys. Can't really tell now because of winter. And the snowmobiles use it. When in doubt, sit on it. Oh yeah. There's not enough traction. I slipped. That's my excuse. Hard on it, eh? Anybody want to buy it? $7,000. It's yours. Lightly used. Lightly used, guys. Well, that was fun. Well, guys, nice. Well, guys, it's a beautiful day. Stay warm, stay safe, and have a blessed day. It's another vlog. This is Chill Moto. Till next time. Got a little predicament.
So you don't drop a like, it's gonna be a banger of a video. Drop a like, remember, hit that like button. That's a used dildo with a ball sack. But in we go. Let's drop out. Alright, up the first one with ease. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh shit. Oh my god, don't fall off the edge. Oh no, oh no.